Hello there, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we have this 2013 Toyota Wish, and we are going to check its quick review and registration for this second generation Toyota Wish. Yeah, it's a very economical vehicle and productive for that matter. It has a good fuel economy, a good MPV, good vehicle, family car, a 7-seater, and I'm going to take you through. It is a simple car but very productive, loved by many for its capacity and performance. Let's get started. This is the front interior. You can see the simple interior of this 2013 Toyota Wish. This one has a dashboard cover. You can put a cover depending on where you stay. If you stay in a dusty place, that means this one can give you some dust. If you stay in a clean place, it's a good one. This is your front AC and rear AC. Let me start this vehicle. Dashboard. This one has done 231 kilometers, and you can feel it's still new. It's still okay. It has a traction control, has a power mirrors, and feel nice to drive this vehicle. It has a very good picking of about 11 seconds from 0 to 100, or 12 seconds depending on the vehicle condition, how you maintain your vehicle. And that is its front. This one has some armrests, headrests with manual adjustments, and that is it, how it looks at the front interior, and that is its front interior. Let me show you the rear interior. I need to unlock. This is where you unlock. The vehicle is open. This is your second row of your Toyota Wish. You can see it has some more seats back there, which are not so comfortable. You can see the leg place it's very small, but you can carry your kids or people who are not so tall at the rear. Also, you can adjust this seat. And it will fit. It will give it will fit well, or to give you enough space to move around. The boot is not very big because of that row seat. Here is a small boot, but you can fold these seats so that it can fit. More cargo on this third row seat when you want to carry cargo or you're moving with your family and you don't have that big family. It's a good MPV for that matter. You can see the shape. It has a good aerodynamics, and it will give you a very good gas per mileage. This one has been fitted with R16 wheels, and they look nice. It has rear brake pads, not like the first generation, and this is it 1.8 engine. So let me show you the engine and the registrations of this vehicle. This is where you open the hood. The vehicle has a very productive engine which will save you on fuel. This is the engine. You can see it is running, and it has a 1.8 liter engine. That is enough to carry the 7 passengers, and it's a good car when considering buying a MPV or a family car to move around with. An economical car. Kindly I advise you to choose this Toyota Wish 2nd generation 2013. It's a cost effective because you don't have to have a lot to own this one. Now let's take the registration of this 2013 Toyota Wish. The main chassis number is located below the driver seats at the driver seat mounting panel. Let me show you. Let me open. There you go. That is the main chassis number of this Toyota Wish 1.8 liter 2013 model. The engine number, let me switch off. The engine number for this is at the left hand side, or the driver side when facing this vehicle. And there you go, 2ZR, then the numbers follows. That is the engine number of this Toyota Wish. And the VIN plate located at the passenger door pillar. At the passenger door pillar is the passenger side, and this is the main sticker or the VIN plate. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.